Hey, what's up everybody? This is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I will tell you about Marketing Secrets Black Book. So if you are looking for what is Marketing Secrets Black Book, who is for Marketing Secrets Black Book, and how you can get this Marketing Secrets Black Book for free, then guys, you are at the right place. In this video I will tell you each and everything about Marketing Secrets Black Book and how you can get this book for free, right guys? So without any delay, let I tell you about what is Marketing Secrets Black Book. Guys, as you know, Russell Brunson, and he has more than 15 years of experience in this online industry, right? So 5 years ago he started a podcast and its name was Marketing in Your Car, and in this podcast he used to share his stories. He used to document his journey. He used to share his strategy about marketing, sales, right? So everything he used to share in this podcast, that is Marketing in Your Car. And later on, he changed his podcast name to Marketing Secrets, right? And after that, what he did. In his team, Glyphonal's team, right? There is a, you can say, member, Julie Stoyan. He said to her that he has done more than 500 episodes, right? And after, you can say, in his more than 500 episode, just go and find out some of the best episodes that are helpful, that are, you can say, that you think will be helpful for business owner, and what are the best strategies, right? What are the best tips that will be helpful for business owners to do business or in their marketing, right? In their marketing area, right? So what she did, she just watched all of the, you can say, episode, right? More than 500 episodes she watched, right? And she write down the points, right? Okay, and then again rewatched, then again she write down everything that she thought, okay, this will be helpful to the business owner. So what she did, guys, in that book she compiled, you can say, 99 secrets, right? And or you can say 99, let us show that, guys. What she did, guys. Yeah, actually it is up, right? So yeah, so this is the book, guys, Marketing Secrets Black Book, right? This is the cover, and yeah, you can say, yes, 99 secrets, guys. So after, you can say, after giving a thorough look or thorough watching of over 500 episodes, she came to these 99 secrets now, and now she has written everything that she thought, okay, this will be helpful to the business owner. So guys, I will tell you that these are the golden nuggets that that Russell Brunson shared in his podcast, right? And guys, you are getting, you can say, a compilation of his podcast that are over 500 episodes, right? So in this book you will get to know these 99 secrets, guys. Let I tell you some of the, you can say, secret that you will learn, that your opinion doesn't matter, right? Outsourcing marketing is like outsourcing sex, the chicken and the egg of marketing. The doctor with the apple was right. What you measure grows. Stop wasting time on B-level opportunities. Become a buyer to become a seller. What to do before you create. The prolific John. Are you proud of it? Become rip-off proof. The manifesto. Selling is the only thing that matters. Why? Promoting often is so important. Expect to cycle twice. So guys, these are the chapters, or you can say these are the secrets that you will learn in detail when you read this Marketing Secrets Black Book, right? Let I show you some of the, like, chapter that you will So you can see that, guys, your opinion doesn't matter. So here he has explained, right, that what are the things that you need to keep in mind, right? So your opinion doesn't matter, right? And outsourcing marketing is like outsourcing sex, guys. So here he has you can say Julie Stoyan, she has, you can say, come up with some notes that what he wanted to say, right, in his podcast. So he just compiled everything, this episode, right, in a chapter, right, in a concise way. So these are the things that you will learn from this marketing secrets black book. So guys, if you are entrepreneur, if you are just new to this online industry, or you are affiliate marketer, or you are marketer, right, or you are salesman, then guys, this book is for you, right? And you can get this book absolutely for free. Down below I'm putting the link so that you can get this book for free. You don't have to pay anything, right, guys? And just guys, this book comes in PDF format. So yes, it's you can say very easy, right? Very easy to read, right? And you don't have to wait for physical book, guys, right? So it's a PDF book, and you can immediately download this book to your computer, to your phone, right, guys? So you can see that these are the chapters, the chicken and the egg of marketing, right? So the doctor with the apple. So guys, this is one of the best book that I have read, right? So yes, if you are serious about your online business, if you're serious about marketing, sales, then guys, this book is for you guys, right? And at least you must read this book at least for once, right? So guys, you can see that become a buyer to become a seller, right? And what to do before you create, what to do before you create. So this is more in detail, right? The prolific John, are you proud of it, right? Become rip off proof, cater to buyers, not to sellers. People may copy your stuff, you can see that, guys, but they can't copy your fire. Yeah, it is right, guys. The manifesto, right? So guys, if you see, so you will find that these are the 99 secrets, guys, that you will learn, guys. So here you don't have to listen to his podcast that are more than 500 episodes, right? So in this book, right, you will get to know the main strategies, main tips, right, main thing that will help you to take your business to the next level, right? You don't need to listen to every podcast to find the golden nuggets, right? Because on your part, Julie Stoyan has already done this thing for you. She has already invested so much time by watching over 500 episodes again and again, and to find out, okay, what are the main strategy, what are the main things, what are the golden nuggets that are very important to take the business to the next level. Now, what are the golden nuggets that are the helpful for business owners, right? She has already done this part on behalf of you. So you just need to just download this book, and you just need to read this book, right, guys? So guys, yes, guys, this is one of the best book to read, right? And I'm down below, I'm putting the link so that you can get this book absolutely for free. You don't have to pay anything, right? You can download this book right now, and you can start reading this book right now, right, guys? So guys, this is all about for marketing secrets black book, right, guys? And you can see that, guys, be the speedy premium, right, emotional selling, right? So guys, there are so many golden nuggets. When you read this book, you will say, wow, this is one of the best book that you have read, guys, right? Pleasure versus pain. So guys, you can see that these are the 99 secrets, right? right? So yes, guys. So this is all about for today, guys. And yes, if you have any questions for me, then please do let me know. I will personally help you, right, guys? And yes, if you like this video, please do like, share, and comment. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because on alternate day basis, uh, I produce more content. I produce more training that are very helpful to the business owner, to affiliate marketer, right, guys? So subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about business, sales, marketing, affiliate marketing, right, guys? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.